Hello! Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy you are here with us today.
I am Emma.
And I am Leo.
On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English through slow, clear, and natural conversations.
Today, we are going to practice daily small talk in English, the kind of conversations people have at work every day.
Yes, very simple, very natural, and very useful.
Please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. It really helps us.
All right, let us get started. So, Leo, how are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you, Emma. I feel a little tired, but I feel good.
Oh, you feel tired? Why do you feel tired?
Well, my weekend was nice, but it was a little busy.
Ah, I see. So, how was your weekend?
It was pretty good. On Saturday, I stayed at home in the morning. I cleaned my apartment and listened to some music.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it was. But in the afternoon, I met a friend for coffee and we talked for a long time.
Oh, that always happens.
Yes, we said we would talk for 30 minutes, but we talked for almost 2 hours.
Wow, time goes fast when you talk with a good friend.
Exactly. How about you, Emma? How was your weekend?
My weekend was quiet, and I really liked that.
Quiet sounds nice. What did you do?
On Saturday, I slept a little later than usual. Then I made a simple breakfast and watched a movie at home.
That sounds very comfortable.
Yes, it was. On Sunday, I went for a short walk in the morning. The weather was really nice.
Oh, speaking of the weather, it was great this weekend, right?
Yes, it was sunny but not too hot. The air felt fresh.
I agree. The weather like that makes people feel happier.
Haha, yes. When the weather is good, my mood is better.
Actually, talking about the weekend is a very common way to start a conversation at work.
That is true. People often ask, "How was your weekend?" because it's friendly and easy.
And there's no pressure. You can answer in a simple way.
Exactly. You can say, "It was good," or "It was relaxing," or "It was busy."
And after that, the conversation can continue naturally.
So, Leo, when you talk to people at work on Monday morning, do you usually talk about the weekend first?
Yes, I usually do. It feels polite and natural.
Me too. It helps break the ice.
Yes, it makes the day start more smoothly.
All right, we talked about the weekend.
And we talked a little about the weather, too.
Next, let's continue this daily small talk and move into another very common situation.
Yes, let's talk about a coffee break conversation at work. So, Emma, it looks like a good day today.
Yes, it really does. The weather feels very nice this morning.
I agree. It is not too hot and it is not too cold.
It feels just right.
Haha, yes. This is my favorite kind of weather.
Mine too. When the weather is like this, I feel more relaxed at work.
Same here. Bad weather can make the day feel longer.
That is true. Rainy days can feel a little slow.
But sunny days make everything feel easier.
Yes, even small things feel better when the weather is nice.
Do people at your workplace often talk about the weather?
Oh yes, all the time.
Haha, same at my workplace.
It is an easy topic. Everyone understands it.
And everyone has an opinion.
Exactly. You can say, "It is hot today," or "It is cold today," or "The weather is nice."
And the conversation can start very naturally.
Speaking of natural conversations, it is almost time for a coffee break.
Oh, hi, that sounds perfect. I was just thinking about coffee.
Really? Me too.
I usually feel more awake after a cup of coffee.
Same here. Coffee breaks are very common at work.
Yes, and people often talk casually during a coffee break.
So, Leo, what do you usually drink during your coffee break?
I usually drink black coffee.
Oh, no sugar?
No sugar, just coffee.
Haha, that sounds strong.
It is, but I like the taste. How about you?
I usually drink coffee with a little milk.
That sounds nice too.
Yes, it feels smoother.
During a coffee break, do you usually talk about work?
Not really.
Really?
Yes, I prefer to talk about simple things like the weekend, the weather, or food.
That makes sense. Coffee breaks are for relaxing, not for working.
Exactly. It's a short break for the mind.
I like that. A break for the mind.
Sometimes I also ask simple questions like, how is your day going?
Yes, that is a very good question.
It sounds friendly and polite.
And people can answer in many ways.
They can say, it is going well, or it's a little busy, or it's okay so far.
Very easy and very useful.
All right, we talked about the weather.
And we talked about coffee break conversations.
Next, let's practice how to continue a small talk conversation naturally.
And also how to end a conversation politely, especially at work. So, Emma, during a coffee break, after talking about the weather, what do you usually say next?
I often ask a simple question.
Like what?
I usually ask, how is your day going?
Oh, yes. That is a very common question at work.
And it sounds very natural.
Exactly. It is friendly and it shows you care.
So, Leo, how is your day going so far?
It is going pretty well. Thank you for asking.
That's good to hear.
The morning was a little busy, but now things feel calmer.
I know that feeling. Mornings can be stressful sometimes.
Yes, especially on Mondays.
Oh, definitely.
How about you, Emma? How is your day going?
It is going well. I finished an important task earlier, so I feel more relaxed now.
That is great. Finishing a task always feels good.
Yes, it makes the rest of the day easier.
Sometimes people answer very briefly, right?
Yes, some people just say it's good or it's okay.
And that is totally fine.
Exactly. Small talk does not need to be long.
But if you want to continue, you can add a little more.
Yes, for example, you can say, it's busy, but I'm learning a lot.
Or, it's a little slow today, so I'm catching up on work.
Those are very natural answers.
Thank you.
Another good way to continue is to react to the answer.
Oh, like saying, that sounds busy, or that sounds nice?
Exactly. Simple reactions keep the conversation going.
And you don't need to think too much.
For example, if someone says, I'm very busy today, you can say, oh, that sounds stressful.
Or, I hope your day gets easier.
Yes, very polite and very kind.
Ha, small words can make a big difference. But sometimes you don't have much time, right?
That is true, especially at work.
So it's important to know how to keep the conversation short and friendly.
Yes, and also how to end it politely.
All right, we talked about how to continue a small talk conversation.
Next, let's practice how to end a conversation politely at work.
This is very important and very useful.
So, Leo, at work, we often need to end a conversation politely.
Yes, especially during a coffee break or in the hallway.
We want to be friendly, but we also need to get back to work.
Exactly. So the way we end the conversation is very important.
One very common way is to say, all right, I should get back to work.
Yes, that sounds polite and natural.
It does not sound rude at all.
And people understand it immediately.
For example, I can say, "All right, Leo, I should get back to work."
And I can reply, yes, of course. It was nice talking to you.
Very natural.
Then you can say, it was nice talking to you too.
Another common sentence is, "I should let you get back to work."
Oh, yes, I hear that a lot.
It sounds polite and considerate.
And it shows respect for the other person's time. Let me try an example.
Okay.
Well, Emma, I should let you get back to work.
Thank you, Leo. It was nice talking to you.
Ha, perfect.
Sometimes people also say, "I will talk to you later."
Yes, that is very common too.
Or, "Let us talk later."
Simple and friendly.
You can also add a small reason.
Like what?
For example, "I have a meeting in a few minutes."
Oh, yes, that sounds very natural.
Or, "I need to finish something before lunch."
Haha, very realistic. Ending a conversation politely helps keep good relationships at work.
Yes, people remember how you make them feel.
And polite endings make conversations feel complete.
Exactly. So let us do a short example from start to finish.
Okay, let's try.
How is your day going, Leo?
It is going well, thank you. How about you?
It is good, but I should get back to work now.
Of course, it was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. I will talk to you later.
Sounds good. See you later.
Very smooth.
Yes, very natural.
All right, we practiced how to end a conversation politely.
Next, let's slow down and review the key patterns we used today.
This will help everyone remember and practice more easily. Now, let us slow down and review some key sentences we used today.
Yes, these sentences are very common in daily small talk at work.
You can use them again and again.
Let us start with a very simple question.
How was your weekend?
You can say it slowly. How was your weekend?
And the answer can be very simple.
For example, it was good.
Or, it was relaxing.
Or, it was a little busy but nice.
The next common topic is the weather.
You can say, the weather is nice today.
Or, it is not too hot today.
Or, it is a little cold this morning.
Very easy and very natural.
Now, during a coffee break, you can ask this question.
How is your day going?
Again, very simple. How is your day going?
And the answer can be short.
For example, it is going well.
Or, it is a little busy.
Or, it is okay so far.
After that, you can react.
You can say, that sounds nice.
Or, that sounds busy.
Or, I hope your day gets easier.
Small reactions like these make conversations feel friendly.
Now, let us review how to end a conversation politely.
One common sentence is, "I should get back to work."
You can say it slowly. I should get back to work.
Another good sentence is, "I should let you get back to work."
And you can also say, I will talk to you later.
Or, "Let's talk later."
These sentences are short, polite, and very useful.
Yes, you can use them every day at work.
And you do not need to worry about sounding rude.
Exactly. They sound natural and respectful.
Now, let us put everything together one more time.
Okay, let's do a short, natural conversation.
How was your weekend, Emma?
It was relaxing. The weather was nice, so I went for a walk.
That sounds nice. How is your day going so far?
It is going well, but I should get back to work now.
Of course. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you too. I will talk to you later.
See you later.
Perfect.
Yes, very natural and very easy to use.
Next, we will ask a simple question for everyone watching.
This will help you practice writing and thinking in English.
Before we finish, let us do a short shadowing practice together.
Yes, this is very important. Please listen carefully and repeat out loud.
Do not worry about being perfect. Just speak and practice.
First sentence. Listen and repeat.
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
Again, slowly.
How was your weekend?
Good. Now the answer.
It was good.
It was good.
Or you can say,
It was relaxing.
it was relaxing.
Very nice. Now the next sentence.
How is your day going?
How is your day going?
Again.
How is your day going? Now the answer.
It is going well.
It is going well.
Or,
It is a little busy.
it is a little busy.
Good job. Now let us practice talking about the weather.
Listen and repeat.
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
Again, slowly.
The weather is nice today.
Very good. Now let us practice ending a conversation politely.
Listen first.
I should get back to work.
I should get back to work.
Again,
I should get back to work.
one more polite ending.
I will talk to you later.
I will talk to you later.
Great. Now let us do a short shadowing conversation.
Just listen and repeat naturally.
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend? It was nice. The weather was good.
It was nice. The weather was good. How is your day going?
How is your day going? It is going well, but, I should get back to work.
It is going well, but, I should get back to work. It was nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you. I will talk to you later.
I will talk to you later.
Ha ha! Excellent!
Yes, very well done.
All right. That was our shadowing practice for today.
Great job, everyone. Thank you for practicing with us.
Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice a little every day.
Yes, small practice can bring big results.
Now it is time for the question of the day.
Today's question is very simple.
How do you usually start a small talk conversation at work?
You can answer with one simple sentence.
For example, my answer is, I usually ask about the weekend.
My answer is, I usually talk about the weather or coffee.
Very easy, right?
Yes. Now it is your turn.
Please write your answer in the comments below.
Do not worry about being perfect. Just try.
We read your comments and we are very happy to see your practice.
If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily English conversations.
We upload new videos regularly to help you speak English with confidence.
Keep listening, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
We hope to see you again very soon.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye!